Hello friends, today we will study about Bernoulli's theorem. Bernoulli's theorem is equation. This theorem equation is the equation of motion in which the forces due to the gravity and due to the pressure of are taken into the consideration. Consider a cylindrical element. We can see this element here. The pressure force is coming, which is force into area. So force is P plus del P by del S into del S into area del A, and the one more opposite side that is coming PdA. That one more pressure is coming, and from gravity rho G dA by ds. One more pressure is coming from this side. Now using this element, consider a streamline. You can see the streamline in which flow is taking place in S direction as shown in the figure. Consider a cylindrical element of cross section dA. You can take the cross section area of this element as a dA. I will write here dA of length ds. Of this whole length is ds. So, using the forces acting on the cylindrical element, we will take three assumptions. So, first assumption is that pressure force at PdA from the opposite direction of flow, and the pressure flow, that is P plus del P by del S into del S into dA from the opposite side of the direction of flow, and the weight of the element, that is rho G dA by ds. So, using this all assumptions, we will derive one equation which is given in this equation, that is PdA is in the opposite direction. Why would we have taken minus? Because the flow is coming from the straight direction. That's why it is given minus. That is P plus del by del S into dA. Again one more, that is rho G dA ds. So when we take the resolution of forces, when we take, so from this direction, that is cos theta. So the pressure from this, that is rho G dA ds and cos theta is equals to rho G dA ds into x, that is force into acceleration. So this force into acceleration we have taken. Now in this equation we find the cos theta and A. So for finding cos theta, we have taken opposite into acceleration, opposite side upon adjacent side. So in this triangle you can see the theta, and here opposite side is dz, and adjacent side is hypotenuse side is ds. So you will get the value of cos theta, that is dz by ds. Now for finding acceleration, acceleration is equal to dv by dt. Now we have in this we have the function of v, that is s and t. So when we take d ds, एक बार s एक बार t, एक बार t दूसरी बार t, v ds एक बार t, s एक बार t, and dt remains same. Now in this you can see that dt will be get can't become due to the same. You know the flow is steady in this cylindrical element, so we will take this dv by ds as a v. So we will get one equation, that is v so we can take that this is a 0 and dv by ds as a v. So we will get ds by dt as a v, sorry. So you will get dv by ds. So you will get the value of a as v dv by ds. So now we have to put this value of a and cos theta in this equation number 1. Now we will put the values. So p dA minus p plus del p by del s ds dA minus rho g dA ds. The value of cos theta is dz by ds is equal to rho g dA ds into acceleration value is v dv by ds. You can see ds get cancelled and ds will get cancelled. Now when we multiply this using this both, so we will get one more equation, that is p dA minus p dA minus del p by del s ds dA minus rho g dA dz is equal to rho g dA into V. Okay, so you will divide this as we will divide by rho dA ds. So जब आप उसको डिवाइड करोगे इसमें से क्या क्या कटता है, इसमें से ये टर्म पूरा कट जाता है, डी ए डी एस पूरा कट जाता है, ये भी पूरा टर्म कट जाता है, ये टर्म पूरा कट जाता है, तो आपको एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा दैट इज माइनस डेल पी बाई डेल एस सॉरी रो माइनस जी टी जेड बाई डी एस इज इक्वल टू वी टी वी बाई डी एस. So we will change the sign, we will get this. यहाँ से डेल एस को उधर लेके जाओ तो मिलेगा डी पी बाय रो प्लस जी डी जेड इज इक्वल टू वी डी वी. ये माइनस में इधर आ जाएगा वी डी वी, ये डी एस इंटू जीरो कॉमन कट जाएगा, जीरो मिल जाएगा उसमें. सो यू विल गेट इक्वेशन, दिस इज इक्वेशन दैट इज इल्यूज इक्वेशन. ये इक्वेशन को बोलते हैं इल्यूज इक्वेशन. ये इक्वेशन को आपको मल्टीप्लाई पे जी करना है तो मिल जाएगा आपको. इसका इंटीग्रेशन होंगे आप, इससे मिलेगा आपको p बाय रो प्लस जी जेड माइनस प्लस बी स्क्वायर बाय 2. इंटीग्रेशन होने के बाद ये कांस्टेंट मिल जाएगा, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा जी से, इसको भी डिवाइड बाय जी से करूंगा तो यहाँ से जी जी कट जाएगा. तो यहाँ से एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा p बाय रो जी प्लस v स्क्वायर बाय 2g प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 0. सो दिस इज योर Bernoulli इक्वेशन. ओके, सो this is potential head, this is datum magnetic head, this is datum head. So with this we can prove that Bernoulli's equation, that is p by rho g plus v square by 2g plus z is equal to 0, that is potential head plus kinetic head plus datum is equal to 0. So this is overall Bernoulli's equation. Thank you.